Hello everyone, welcome to Cassandra's Chinese Food Kitchen. I know a lot of people love tomato flavors in Chinese cooking, so I'm using this dish to show you how Chinese cooking keeps meat soft and tender. The ingredients are very simple. For the main ingredients, we need chicken breast and carrot. For the aromatic base, we need scallion and ginger. For the sauce, we need ketchup, light soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and salt. Also, starch. And we need starch for two things: to prepare the chicken and to thicken the sauce. You can also use a little cooking wine to remove the chicken smell. If you don't have it, that's no problem. Slice the chicken breast and the carrot. Chop the ginger and scallion. Add the cooking wine to the chicken. This helps to reduce the smell. And a half spoon of salt. Add a little oil. Then mix 1 small spoon of starch with a little water until it becomes a thick paste. I have one. This is from last night, so I don't make another one. Pour it in the chicken. It is best to mix with your hand, so everything gets coated evenly. The starch and oil help protect the chicken and keep the moisture inside, so the meat stays soft and tender, instead of becoming hard and dry. The technique is called velveting. It is one of the basic ways Chinese cooking prepares meat. Now boil a pot of water. This is different from the cold water blanching we used before. This time we are not trying to clean the meat. We need hot water to cook the chicken gently and set the protective coating on the surface. Many restaurants use a lot of oil to do this. But at home, I think that wastes too much oil, so we use hot water instead. If you use gas stove or a very strong induction stove, when the color changes, you can turn off the heat. But if you use an induction stove, cook the chicken until it is fully cooked and safe to eat. Now you can take the chicken out. Now let's make a starch slurry sauce. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, 1 spoon of ketchup, you can also add a little sugar. Because we already add salt to the chicken, don't make the sauce too salty, but if you want, a little is okay. Add cold water and mix it well. Taste the sauce. It should be a little salty and thick enough to coat the ingredients evenly. Then add starch and stir it again. Make sure your pot is dry. Add some oil. Add the scallion and ginger. Turn on low heat and let them heat up slowly. When you see small bubbles around the scallion and ginger and you can smell the aroma, add the carrot slices. Turn to medium heat and stir fry. Add a little water and boil it for nearly 2 or 3 minutes until the carrot becomes soft. Next is a little different. Depending on whether you use a gas stove or an induction stove. If you use gas stove like me, add the chicken back into the pan. Stir fry for a few seconds. Before adding the sauce, stir it again, because the starch may sink to the bottom of the bowl. Pour the sauce into the pan and stir it. When you see the sauce becoming thick and glossy, turn off the heat. If you keep cooking it, the starch may stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. If you are using an induction stove, you need to do the opposite order. Mix enough starch slurry sauce, stir it, pour them to the pan. Keep stirring them to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. When the sauce becomes glossy and sticky, add the chicken back in the stir fry about 10 seconds. For the detailed method, please watch my previous video. Wow! Honestly, I don't usually cook chicken slices this way, but it tastes really good. The tomato flavor works well with the Chinese seasonings. Soy sauce gave it a savory umami. Vinegar gives it a bright acidity. Ketchup gives it a gentle sweet and sour flavor. And because we velveted the chicken first, the chicken breast is not dry or hard at all. This method is used in many Chinese stir-frying dishes. For example, kung po chicken, which many people in Europe and America already know and love. Once you understand this method, you can change the ingredients and the sauce and make many different dishes.